What's up everybody? My name is Jonathan Casey. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is a channel where I like to talk all things tech related. It doesn't matter if it's a smartphone, a camera, or a computer. Chances are you're gonna see it on the channel. I deliver content in a unique and interesting format, and I do it every single week. If that sounds good to you, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And also enable notifications. In this video, we're unboxing a lot of stuff. I mean, a lot of stuff. But first, I do have to give a quick shout out to this video's sponsor, which is Bitdefender Total Security 2020. Bitdefender Total Security 2020 builds on the popular Total Security suite that many of us have come to depend on. One of my favorite features of Bitdefender Total Security 2020 is the anti-tracker browser extension. What's nice about Bitdefender's extension is that it organizes privacy information. When you click on the extension while checking out a web page, you get a lot of information about the attempted tracking. I've seen a noticeable decrease in website load times and overall a better web experience while using it. If you feel like checking it out, hit up the link in the description for a free 90-day trial to Bitdefender Total Security 2020. So we're gonna start with one of the smaller boxes. Go ahead and crack this open. And what do we got? All right. So I know exactly what this is. This is the later case. Unbox Therapy released a line of cases. This is the one for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm super excited about it. It's really light, really thin. So I got my iPhone right here. Let's go ahead and throw this on. And yeah, I'm definitely feeling that. I love the texture. You could actually feel the fibers just like he said. Now he said that you should be able to easily take this off. Push down on the corner, down on the corner. Yeah, that's super easy. I'll leave links to all this stuff, including the case, down in the description if you feel like checking it out. So let's go ahead and move on to the next package. Go ahead and open this up. So we got a little note here. Hey John, look forward to meeting you at CES 2020. Enjoy these Lexar Professional 2000X SD cards plus an SL100 Pro portable SSD. Happy holidays, Lexar. I mean, you can never have enough SD cards. So shout out to Lexar for hooking it up. Let's go ahead and see exactly what they sent. So got the note, got a SD card here. Looks like a little microfiber cleaning cloth inside of its little case. And this is really interesting. I did not know Lexar actually had portable SSDs like this. Let me know down in the comment section, have you used any of Lexar's portable SSDs? And let me know your experience. Looking forward to trying this out. See if we got anything else? We do. They hooked it up, they sent 2 portable SSDs. So again, you guys are fantastic. Can never go wrong with external storage or SD cards. Anything else? Another cleaning cloth. And another SD card. Thank you, Lexar. I appreciate you hooking me up. This is awesome. Let's go ahead and dive into the next package. So we got a bigger package here, and I'm not gonna lie, if you're a sneaker lover and you order a lot of sneakers and you already know what this is by the tape, what kind of shoes we got? All right, I already know what they are. Checking out the box, it's the 380s. These are definitely the aliens. Open up the box and take a look at what they look like. Yeah, they look pretty good. I was a little hesitant about these. I mean, I was gonna get them either way, but I was nervous about the looks of them, but in person, I think they look really good. Let me know down below what you guys think about the Yeezy 380 aliens. Would you cop them? I'm definitely looking forward to wearing them. So yeah, put these back in. Move on to the next box. Let's take a look at what we got in here. So, okay. So Samsung done hooked it up. They sent out a few things. Some Galaxy Buds in yellow. I've actually been wanting a pair of these in yellow because the black and the white, while it's classic and it goes with everything, I want something that stands out. That's a little bit more bold, and the yellow is definitely on point. Let's go ahead and open these up. Yeah, that's definitely bold, my friend. That is definitely bold. I mean, I don't think it gets any more yellow than that. Now see, the yellow tips are nice. So let's take a look at what else we got. We got a T5. I've used the T5 before and I really enjoy its compact size and the form factor, but I had some issues when I was editing video. Granted, I think it was like 6K, maybe even 8K video, but that's probably my fault. I'll definitely put this up against the G Drive if you wanna see it. This is the gold version, 500 gigabytes, which is definitely plenty for editing like typical Sony footage, even in 4K. All right, so what else we have? We have the Active 2 right here. I've been wanting to try the Active 2. I love, love, love my Galaxy Watch. So having something that's similar and a little bit smaller, thinner, lighter form factor definitely excites me. So we got the watch right here. No, that is sleek. That's really, really sleek. Okay, I'm feeling it. I'm definitely feeling the Active 2. So I'm definitely gonna be using this, testing it out, and if you wanna see a full video on the Active 2, let me know down in the comment section. Otherwise, maybe I'll post some social media videos and do some follow-ups over there. So if you're not following me on Twitter and Instagram, make sure to do that. But in any case, this is definitely gonna be getting used because it is pretty fire. Like, I do like this design. Okay, so we got an Aputure 120D Mark II here, which is the light that I have been using now for a few months. I love it. It's the one that's lighting me right now as we speak, and I'm definitely pumped to add another one to the set here and also to use in other places. So thank you, Aputure. I appreciate the love. This is also gonna be seen in an upcoming video focusing on gear and some essentials if you're looking for either a gift or just picking yourself up something that's gonna help you out with your production. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. Bam. So we got some more sneakers here. I already know, obviously I like Yeezys. I'm not gonna lie and sit there in front and act like I don't, but these are obviously the 350s, so the design that most people are familiar with. And these should be the Yeezy Reels? I think that's what they're called. Yeezy Reels? Yeezy Reels. Yep. I mean, they're not awful. Hold on a minute. Yeah, I gotta say, that is really, really similar. Open this up. What do we have here? So we got the Deity 2 Mic 2S. So I'm actually really pumped about this mic because it's very similar in terms of its design to the Schoeps Mini Cement that I've been using, which is the mic that you hear right now. So I plan on doing a comparison with this versus my Schoeps because this is about a $2,000 mic, maybe a little bit more. And this is like a $240 mic, $250 mic. So it's gonna be really interesting to see how each of these perform. But yeah, this is definitely exciting. What else we got? We got the Amaran light right here. This is a on-camera light, like a mini portable light. And then we got the V-Mic D3 Pro. This is basically like the Røde Video Mic Pro Plus competitor, or Pro, whichever one you have. This is definitely the competitor to that. And again, I'm excited to put this through its paces and compare with mics that are similar with this one. Next up, I have no idea what this is. Okay, this is the SideTrak. So, if you don't know, there is a company that goes by the name of SideTrak that creates a monitor type system for the MacBook Pro 15-inch and 13-inch, and I believe the 16-inch. Basically, this attaches to the back of your MacBook Pro, and then you have a slide out secondary display. It sounds incredible. Shout out to SideTrak. Thank you guys. I will definitely be testing this out. Let's go ahead and open this up. It says, welcome to a more productive you. And there it is. Yeah, so it just slides out just like so. And there's the display, as you can see. It looks like it attaches to your MacBook Pro using 3M. So you have 4 little adhesive strips right here. Oh, I see. So these are pieces of metal. So this actually must be magnetic. Ah, we're gonna figure it out. Got another little baby box right here. Go ahead and cut it open. So this is the Røde Lavalier Go. So I actually borrowed one of these and I've been using it for a little while, and I really, really liked it. Like, it was one of the best lavalier systems that I've used. It's not because of the quality necessarily, it's more of the convenience factor. And when you combine the lavalier Go with the Røde wireless Go, it's a great combination, especially like on the go, and you're traveling a lot, and you just need a great all-around lav setup. This is definitely key right here. So that's the lavalier Go, and like I said, this is gonna be paired up with the wireless Go that I've been using now for a while. So yeah, definitely cool. Next, we got a long one. This is another Aputure product. This is not the Light Dome or the Light Dome Mini. This is actually the Lantern. So I've never used the Lantern before, but it's got really, really good reviews. It's a little bit more affordable than the larger Light Dome, you know, the one that I'm using. I think the Light Dome is like 220 bucks, 240 bucks, and the Light Dome Mini is like 120, and the Lantern here is 89, and from what I understand from the videos that I've seen, it gives you like just a soft light, but it fills up a space more. Plus you can kind of hang it over a table and do some cool stuff like that. So real quick, we have the Lantern itself with the built-in diffuser, and then we have, looks like, what is this called? Is it like a drop sheet? Something like that. So this basically will hang below the Lantern, and this is how you're going to direct the light a little bit more and control it. So if you don't want any spill and stuff like that, yeah, that's awesome. We got a big boy package here from Saf? Is that from Saf? Ugh. We got a box. Okay, so obviously this is from Lens Rentals, so I know exactly what this is. I work with Sony quite a bit when it comes to testing out gear, and what they do is they always provide the gear on a rental basis, and it always goes through Lens Rentals. So if I'm not mistaken, this is A7R4 right here. This should be the 70 to 200, which it is. This isn't the G Master, but it is a G series. This is the F4 version. Then we have another lens, and this should be the 24 millimeter G Master. I've been anxious to test out this lens. Yeah, there it is. So you got the manual aperture control right here, similar to how Fuji does their lenses. Nice smooth focus ring. Still focused by wire, but it's still very smooth. Yeah, this is definitely a nice lens. So as you guys can see, this is coming from a company that goes by the name of Autonomous, and if you didn't know, Autonomous AI is actually the company that makes this desk. And I included it in my recent setup tour where I showcased my sneakers, my new desk setup. Basically, it was like the upside down desk because everything that should be on top of the desk was under the desk, except for the monitors and the speaker, of course, but whatever. Check that video out at the card at the top. But this is from Autonomous AI, and it's not a desk, obviously. Let's take a look. So this is a carry-on suitcase. So Autonomous AI doesn't just make desk and office supplies or accessories, they also make luggage. And this is the Flyer 2 without pocket. They also make one with a pocket. So this is the same thing, except we have a pocket on the front here. You have a tablet, and then on the door right here, you see you have a little area for a mouse over here, and then a slot for your cables, and then you have this pocket right here for maybe like a set of headphones. I don't know. There's a lot. So on the top here, we have a little lock. You can see the zippers. Let's see, right here. And basically they're being held in place by the lock. And then it is a roller bag. As you can see, the wheels actually roll really, really good. Like, so you got like a side right here for maybe some sneakers, maybe. And then your clothes over here. Open this up. Yeah, nice big area. And then I think this is a laundry bag, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, says laundry written on it. We have another little bag. So what is this? It's a neck pillow. So just like that. What you think? It's It's not that bad. We got a big boy box. All right, so what do we have in here? All right, so we got, you know what? Let's just put this on the floor. This is just too much. So this is a 16-inch MacBook Pro. Like I said in my previous video, I ended up returning my MacBook Pro that I had because it was just the entry-level model. And this one has the 8GB GPU. It also has 32 gigs of RAM and a 2 terabyte SSD. I got it in silver because everybody else gets space gray. I like that classic silver look. It just looks good. Reminds me of the older MacBooks, but yeah, I don't think we need to unbox this. You guys have seen plenty of unboxings when it comes to the 16-inch MacBook Pro. This is the new 6-liter Peak Design Sling. I've been looking for a sling. Like, I love the backpack that I've been using, the Wander Duo. I think that is like the best creator backpack that you can buy. But in terms of a sling, you know, I go to a lot of theme parks, Disney and stuff, and I would love to have something that I could just, you know, sling over my shoulder, have like my phones in here, maybe like a little gimbal, small camera. And yeah, this is the 6-liter. It's actually a little big. Honestly, I might have to send this back and get the 3-liter. Like, this is a little massive. One thing I do like about the 6-liter is it comes with 2 of these fold dividers, and those definitely come in handy. The Fuji 16-80. This is a lens that I have been dying to check out. And the 16-80 to me is like the perfect carry around lens. So think about like the Canon 24-105. And then think about the size of this lens, which, wow, this thing is actually really small. Build quality, just like Fuji's other lenses, top notch. We just go a little. Next up, we have the 10-24 Fuji lens. This is another lens that I have been dying to check out. All right, so there it is, the internal zoom. So it does not get any bigger. It stays this size. Yeah, that internal zoom is nice. And possibly this lens excites me the most. This is the Fuji 80mm macro lens. All right, so let's see, the 80mm is supposed to be a little bit bigger than the other 2 lenses that I've already shown you, which it definitely is, and it's actually kind of heavy. Like, that's got some weight to it, but this is a macro lens, it's f2.8. And last but not least, we have the Folio Halo bar set. So this is gonna go with the next item. There we go. So what is the Folio 3? It's a portable foldable studio meant for product photography. So in case you guys didn't know, I've been purging a lot of the stuff that I have laying around the house. I just have way too much, so I've been selling a lot on eBay. If you want good product shots, you need like a little studio. You need something with soft light, you need like white, black, gray, green, just different kind of backdrops in order to make your listing stand out from the rest and just seem a little bit more professional. From what I've seen, everything attaches basically with magnets, which makes it one of the easiest and simplest ways to set up like a portable studio. So this thing is definitely a lot bigger than I thought. And yeah, I'm just gonna interject some B-roll. So here's a quick look at the Folio 3. So you can see the LED bar here, and then an LED bar here, and then inside you have LED bars all the way around, which are really overexposed. And then it comes with 2 different backdrops. So you have a black one and a white one, and they just attach with Velcro and also magnets, because magnets are awesome. Just lost focus. And now I'm going to quickly demonstrate what I mean by like getting a professional photo by throwing up a picture that I'm going to take with my iPhone. So just simply using my iPhone and this lighting setup, I'm gonna show you what you're able to accomplish. And I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think about the photo down below. So that's the end of this video. I just know this video is gonna be long. I just know it. So if you made it this far, from my heart to yours, thank you. I appreciate you, because that means you are a true fan, and I love you for that. So thank you. And let me know, do you want to see more videos like this, and how can I make these better? Because I know this was a little bit sloppy. This is my first time doing a mass unboxing. I don't do unboxings typically, especially when it comes to like massive unboxing like this. Like I think we did 16 or 17 packages. It's a lot. So how can I make this better? Sound off down below. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos just like this, and I will have a lot more content dropping this week. some really exciting stuff is gonna happen, and I will talk to you amazing people in the next video.